In some instances, when you want to pay for your elamant account using Bitcoin, you may send the payment to the given Bitcoin address and your account may not be renewed automatically. There's several reasons why that happens, but in this special video, I'm going to explain the error that one of the elamant team members actually did when they were actually paying for their fees and how you can actually contact elamant support to fix that. My name is Kuda. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. So let's just get into it. A lot of people, they're actually getting into Bitcoin and they're new to Bitcoin. They don't understand how Bitcoin works. If you are that kind of person, please, I highly recommend that before you do anything to do with Bitcoin, make sure you go and learn from this course, Bitcoin for Beginners. It's a course that I created with beginners in mind. Okay, it explains the basics of Bitcoin. So let me just explain some of the things that a lot of people don't pay attention to, yet they are very, very, very important. When you click the upgrade button, you're going to be taken to this screen in your elamant account, and the instruction says, please wait for transaction completion. Don't refresh this website, or don't press the refresh button or reload or anything like that. So what you're seeing right there is the Bitcoin address. This is where you are supposed to send the Bitcoin to, okay, the money for your membership. So when you click on upgrade now, you're going to be taken to this page, and whilst the money is being sent or is being confirmed, you need to keep this page open. Don't close it, don't reload it, otherwise the transaction may not be completed. Okay, so if you remain on this page, like I've actually done in one of my separate videos on how to send Bitcoin, I kept this page open while I was sending my Bitcoin and the transaction went on successfully. But however, if you're like this person who closed their page whilst the Bitcoin has been sent here, this is exactly what you need to do. So the moment you actually try again to refresh, to click the upgrade button, you're going to see that this Bitcoin address will keep on changing. It's going to be generating new Bitcoin address, new Bitcoin address, new Bitcoin address. Okay, so in simple terms, what I'm just saying is someone generated the upgrade button and then they sent the Bitcoin, and before this page changed to successfully paid, they refreshed and their account was not upgraded. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's quite simple. Okay, so the first thing that you need to understand is that when Bitcoin addresses change, it's normal. You know, don't be surprised. Like if you look at this number, just try and click the upgrade button in your account. You're going to see that this will keep on changing. So let me give you an example why this is changing. So let's say you walk into a supermarket and you always see a lot of T operators. So there's T operator number 1, T operator number 2, T operator number 3, and so on. Okay, so everyone will be doing their shopping. Okay, this is all the people that are picking their stuff, doing their shopping, buying their groceries, and someone can choose to go to T operator number 1, T operator number 2, or T operator number 3, depending on what they choose. And they are leaving money on these two operators, but at the end of the day, these two operators are going to be depositing money into a huge bank account for the company. So this is the same concept that Bitcoin uses. Okay, this is the same concept that Bitcoin uses. This is why you see different Bitcoin addresses now and then. This is the same concept. Your money is gonna hit the final destination and it can actually be received. So what you need to do now is to find the proof of payment. Okay, is to find the proof of payment and use contact elamant support that I've actually made the payment to this Bitcoin address. So please, can you check for me and actually upgrade my account? You need to contact them and give them proof. However, what you have to do now is to log into your blockchain account or Bitcoin account. Myself, I'm using blockchain. So what you have to do is to track the transaction that you did, the money that you have sent, okay, at that time. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to check my transaction that I've actually done, and I have to check like which one it is. There's quite a lot of transactions that have been done here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this transaction because it was this transaction that I've actually did. Okay, and then what I have to do now is here it says transaction confirmed, and you're going to see an arrow, an external arrow like this one. I hope you'll be able to see this. Okay, this is an external arrow, okay, of the transaction. Okay, and that's what you need to click. Okay, I'm gonna click on this, and then once I click on this, it's gonna take me to the transaction details. Okay, this is the transaction details that explains the money that I've actually sent, yet my account was not renewed. So however, what I then have to do now is I have to copy this link at the top, okay, and then write my nice email, and then let me just show you my nice email that I've actually written here, that you can actually write to support. So it goes like, hello, I've paid for my renewal with via Bitcoin. My account was not renewed. Please, here's the proof of payment, hash ID. This is called the hash ID in terms of blockchain, and I don't want to confuse you. Go through the Bitcoin for Beginners course. Okay, this is just like the proof of payment. Have a look at it, and please upgrade my account. Let me know if there is any questions, if there is any additional information that I should provide. So if you look at this, what I've actually done, support is going to fix this as quickly as possible. So my advice to you, if you want to upgrade your account, please don't rush to upgrade your account, or don't rush to buy Bitcoin, do anything with regards to Bitcoin if you don't understand what it is. Okay, please just go through this course. I created this with beginners in mind. I try and use simple examples that will help you understand what Bitcoin is. So with that being said, you may face this challenge as well in your element business. So it's normal, and it happens in a lot of Bitcoin transactions. So you just have to understand that. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and bye for